Hey guys, so nagbabalik na lang tayo sa ating update dito sa may Medina Jewelry sa Raminea Mall. So, ito naman yung ating i-content guys. Cartier daw to, sabi ni brother ni sa Cartier. So, sukat natin. So, ito ay ano to, 30.25 grams. Tapos, ang price niya sa reals, ito, 11,920. So, 21k to. So, 21k. 21k. Ayan siya guys. Mungkin taman tasher bisa? This one? 18 inches?
لا 22 inches
22 inches? Ah,
then 21
okay,
karat
22 inches. 21k.
no problem we discount 11,700 no problem.
Okay, he will give 11,700. So yun lang guys. Next, what's that one? What design is this?
Also this one see sa kadena basta da special kadena special one.
Mungkin how many grams?
I will see how many grams give you the price.
Okay.
So see madami
So ito pa
So,
mga
Tiffany, we
kadena
have
guys. Ito sinukat ko kahapon. Yung Tiffany hardware. Ito siya yung kinontent natin kahapon. So check it lang natin. Ito mas mabigat to. Grabe ito.
ahas see somebody like ahas 21 18k I have
This one.
try this.
Ang bigat guys. This one. Sa Karya, how much is this?
Maybe this 45 gram like
45
this
grams.
45 gram
Then 21k.
21k yeah
45 grams, 21k. So around, how, kan po
45
Grabe guys.
around 17,100
17,100
17,100
reals. Yen. Ganda. Ito yung sinukat ko kahapon, yung Tiffany hardware. Hirap na lang suot.
this hardware yeah you
Hardware.
will see the 18 karat
18, the same
The
design,
same, but 18 karat, yeah.
Okay. For the 18 carats, how much? This one, how much?
I will see
Ito, 18, ang haba. Haba naman. 18k. Mungkin kang pulos hadi.
this one
Grabe, ito yung sinukat ko kahapon, ang ganda.
28.3
28.3 grams.
28.3
Ito, 28.3 grams, 18k.
like 10,000 real
10,000 real.
10,000 97 no problem
Pero kumpara naman to, ang bigat na yun to guys.
this the 18 karat Tiffany
You have 18k Tiffany also. Ito yung 18k naman Tiffany. Ito yung 21k. Makita mo yung mas ano yung kulay. Ito.
this one the stone somebody like put stone this one
What
Tiffany
design
with
is
the
this?
stone yeah
What design is this?
Tiffany
Oh,
with the stone
For this one for madam?
yeah for lady
Ito for lady. Siya.
see this one I have all the size I have bigger I have smallest
Pero yung sinukat ko, pang lalaki yun, yung isa kahapon. Ito lang, wala siyang ano.
this 21k yeah this 18 karat
This one, how much?
this one this Tiffany with the dangle see
Tiffany with dangling.
yeah with the balawit
Mungkin how much is this?
I think 9 grams but then with the price
Ang ganda eh, oh. Babae. Siyempre.
yeah babae pulo I have
But this one, how much? I forgot.
I will check how many grams they give you the price
Okay.
maybe I have
Ang bigat to. Ang bigat na ito.
this one my friend how many grams
Where's it, this one?
13.70
13.17, 18k. Tiffany with ano.
13.70 This one like 4 8 like this.
4,800 reals. 4,800 reals, 18 inches.
I have little lightweight. I have.
Yeah, this one I showed it already. Where's the ahas, brother?
I have here.
This one, all the same.
This one they're different.
Ah, ito iba pala. Ito pala iba. Iba pala to. Kala ko pare-parehas. Ito,
See this one, my
ito oh. Ayan yung design niya. What design is this?
Well, I don't know.
I don't know
So
what.
unique
Yeah,
design.
yeah, unique design. Ang unique ng design, guys, oh. Ay, ay.
It's okay, no problem.
Nagkakalaglag ito.
See this, I mean this, see this one, like this one. See,
Ahasa.
I have 3 gram, 4 gram, 5 gram, 8 gram,
Hada
9
Cartier?
gram,
Cartier?
18K.
This one?
This one.
18K?
Yeah.
18K naman to, yung pang-ahas,
We have
guys.
Madame design. We have all design.
Mankin, how much is this one?
Maybe 2,000 real,
2,000 reals.
1.8.
So, yan, 2,000 reals.
This back to back, you know. This
Back to back, yeah.
Versace and then plain. Yani,
Yeah, Versace yung kabila, tapos plain yung kabila. Ang galing.
also this one, see. This one plain all. This one plain all.
This one, plain.
Ay.
Ito yung plain. Yung parang alam din talaga ng ahas.
This one back Cartier, back plain.
Cartier, ito. Mankin kam Cartier.
Like 1.5.
1.5 reals. 18K.
18K.
18K. 1.5 lang daw, guys. So, mungkin 18 inches or 16.
Yeah, 18 inches, 20 inches,
All
16
for
inches.
madam, this one.
All for lady, yeah, for lady, yeah.
So, ayun guys. Tandaan nyo na lang yung mga nabanggit na presyo.
This one unisex, unisex.
Ito yung mga unisex naman.
Unisex. Lalaki, babae, unisex.
Pero medyo magaan to. Pero makapal yung design niya. So, all 18K. Ito yung mga 18K. Tabi muna natin dito. Ayun. Yun siya. Ito yung 18K.
All the size I have, long, short,
Yeah.
I have the size also. Also this one, see the bago.
New design, this
This
one?
one new, yeah.
With
This one, the paper clip with Versace, like
Versace. Ito.
yeah.
What do you call with this design?
This paper clip.
Paperclip also. Paperclip. Ito yung paperclip.
Bas-
Tapos ito yung Tiffany hardware.
Also,
Nakukonfuse ako dito before. What
we
is-
have too much
Yeah.
design.
Oo
Some
nga. Ito, ang ganda oh. Kasi,
see this.
yan siya guys. And,
This one LV. This one
Mungkin,
design
how much
LV.
is this? Mungkin this one, how much?
This one kami maybe 7 gram like this.
7 grams.
Yeah.
Mungkin,
2.5,
2,500
2.6.
reals. So, around 35 to 40K siguro sa peso. Times 14.5 or 15. This one, nice.
See
Nice.
this is plain.
Ito yung mga
Sa
plain lang na
plain,
mga
yeah.
paperclip. So, ayan, magkakaiba ng size. Ito yung mahaba. Pero parang gusto ko itong isa, oh. Yung isang sinukat ko kanina na iba yung design. Ay, nabalik na. Ito, iba-iba ng sizes. May
This the white gold. Yeah,
This one,
somebody like white gold.
guys.
No problem.
Oh, kung gusto niyo ng white gold,
Sige,
sample.
kita mo.
Sample natin to. Kung gusto niyo ng white gold, how much is this?
Let's see how many grams.
Okay, so that I can... Ito mga white gold, iba-iba din ang sizes, oh. Parang gusto niya 16, 18, or 20, 22 inches.
This one, my friend,
Yes.
11.05.
11.05 grams for how much reals?
3,800.
3,800 reals, guys. 3,800, wow. Ito, oh.
And then this one rope, if you see that rope.
White gold. Ang cute pala.
We have more, I have more. Like this one, I have inside more. See, this rope, somebody like rope.
This one, what do you call it with this design?
This rope,
Yan oh.
rope chain. I have also king chain.
Kaso yung ganito ko dati, parang pagka, kasi walang pambaran, sumasabit sa tuwalya. Kaya nung palit ako,
على 300 المصنعية على المصنعية على شوف لها جرام
18 ولا 21
oh, what design is this? Ah,
واحد شيء على 350
ito mungkin
هذا في
Tennis
مصنعية ولا
string,
في طريق قال
22 inches.
22 inches 18 inches no problem I have
Ito mahaba guys, mahaba. So ayan siya oh.
this one king chain king nail king chain see square
But this one I think is
Ayan
have
siya.
white.
I've shown it, this one, ay napakita niyo, payata napakita to guys, ito to. Ito oh.
بعد اذنك وريني من قريب الرشة دي ثالث واحدة. ثالث
Ah,
واحدة.
ito maikli lang, parang 18 inches lang. Ayan siya. 18K lang to. Yeah, sukat-sukat lang tayo for the content guys. Dito sa Medina Jewelry sa Ramania Mall guys.
That one
gate 4 gate 4
Gate 4 ba?
Gate 4.
Pagpasok niyo ng gate 4, yan.
بس اللمعة
Dito na yan.
بتاعتك
Pagbaba ng escalator guys.
this cost price no problem good price
Yeah. Ito mga 21K yan nakalagay dito. 21K.
This is
Iba-iba ng
21K.
sizes. 21K. And the amount is for the for the longest one. Mungkin how much? Estimate how much? And grams.
this the longer 22
And 22 inches.
I have 18 inches
Yeah.
I have 16 I have all
Mungkin come hagin. 22 inches. 22 inches. Tingnan natin kung
9.5 gram 9.5 gram
9.5 grams and Campolos.
mura lang pare
18
Yan siya. Oh.
37
3,700 reals guys. So ito yan ha.
21
Screenshot nyo na lang tapos pagpunta kayo dito para nakikita nyo yung vlog. Tapos banggitin nyo lang Aldrin Nation, may extra discount kayo. Yan, hanapin mo lang si Sakarya. Yan, look for him ha.
look kabayan
I told them look for you.
okay anytime
Look for him ha.
you welcome anytime
Sabihin nyo kung napanood nyo itong
we have
content na to.
discount we have
Yan, bibigyan pa kayo
we
ng
have
extra
gifts.
discount.
دي فوق
Okay? Yan. Okay? I think ito ko lang tapusin yung content na to. For now, I will finish it tonight. That's it for today. I'll come back for another content.
no problem we have
So this
more.
one. And sa another shop tayo magko-content. So yun guys, so ito yung mga parang aso. Meron din pinakita kanina, meron siyang baliktaran. Cute din tong frame.
see the
Ito yung mga set pang babae.
set the ahas
Set. 18K, this is only 18K, ha? Ang
18K,
ganda oh.
I have 21 also
Pang babae, set. How much is this set, brother?
my friend also this one see this one 21k
This one 18 and 21K.
Yeah.
How much is the 18K?
maybe around I will check the grams
Okay.
first
Check lang. So 18 and 21K.
also this
Itong
one
design
see
parang
this
ahas,
one this
guys.
one
Ay, mas malaki. Grabe, ang ganda na ito. Yun, ito yung parang medyo yung madam na nananampal na ng katulong. Ang ganda ng design, no?
this one
The
15
18K,
15 gram
15
1.6
grams, 0.6,
15.6
Campolos.
I will choose
Okay, 15 grams, 15.6 grams.
15.6 baliktad
Baliktad. Ito, 15 grams, 0.6. Yan, isang set.
15.6 55
Show it.
5,500 riyal
Yan. 5,500 reals daw guys.
After
Ito.
discount all,
After
when you
discount.
like it, somebody
Yeah.
like,
Okay.
still you have tawat.
This is the 18K, but the 21K mungkin
21. Oh, معلش.
no problem. Oops, nalaglag. Yeah.
No
Okay.
problem. This one
Mungkin
different like 300 for
300.
300 riyal.
Okay.
Yeah, for that.
So
I have the sing there, the ring.
you have mungkin
Estimate like
estimate mungkin halos ano ng timbang yun, pero sa 21K
can
kasi.
I check the grams first.
Okay. Wait lang, check natin. Humaba na yung content ko guys. Ito naman yung isa oh.
This one, yeah, my friend, 19.2.
19.2 grams. 19.2 grams guys.
7,600.
7,600 reals. So
21
comes
karat.
with necklace, earrings, and ring. So isang set siya guys.
Yeah. I have more, but
I'll come back for
see, we have more stuff,
ito
more
yun, ha?
style.
Where is it? How much again?
7,600.
7,600 guys. So 21K. So yan ha, tandaan nyo lang. So yan. So I think dito ko muna tatapusin yung ating content. Mahaba na yung ating nai-content dito. Napa one take vlog ako. Short lang sana kanina. So ayan na siya guys.
Also, this Monaco, 18K.
Monaco?
18K, yeah. This one,
This
Monaco.
one, what's this?
Monaco, 18
Monaco?
karat, yeah. Monaco style.
Monaco style guys. Oh.
Palalaki.
Panlalaki.
Hindi ba babae?
How to wear this one?
Open just the
Okay.
sleeves like that. Two. I have the size, all the size I have it.
Monaco guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng design oh. May mga detalye niya. Ayan siya. Yun. Ito siya, Monaco. 18K nga lang to. Siya. Monaco. Ito yung kabila. Ayan yung mga detalye pala. Mungkin this one, Campolos, 18K.
18K, this was special Monaco.
Maba na yung content ko doon. 20 grams.
30 gram, 120.
20 grams, 0.30.
30 gram.
30 grams, 0.30. Campolos,
10
10,500.
Yeah.
Necklace for men, Monaco, ang design. Ayan yung mga detalye guys. So, ayan no. Tapos sa kabilang side ito. Ayan. So,
I have the
yun
Rolex.
lang guys. Wait natin ito dito. And this one,
This one Rolex.
Rolex.
Rolex, I have the
Isang
bracelet
Rolex,
also.
oh.
I have one.
Isang set, Rolex naman. Ayan. Mungkin this one, set.
This one okay. See the also the Tiffany, the one set. Tiffany with
Okay.
the
This is
stone.
the first one before.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Ito isang set ng Tiffany kanina guys. So,
Also the Versace.
comes with ring also, sa?
Yeah, with the ring, I have
Okay.
the ring there.
Ayan siya. This Rolex, mungkin come.
هذا Versace, see?
Oh, ito naman Versace.
Versace, yeah, somebody like Versace. This one small, but this one the chain small, but too much strong.
This one,
Yeah, strong. This one how
matibay
many
daw
gram
to.
all?
Manipis lang yung chain niya, pero
Mas mabigat.
matibay daw.
22 gram all.
22 grams.
22 gram 1.3.
So, ayan. Ito siya.
Live, pare.
No, video. Not live. So, ayan siya. Nasaan na yung... Tanong natin itong presyo na itong ano. Rolex. This one, mungkin how much?
Is it the Rolex?
Yeah,
It's
1K how much? That's content na tong Rolex. Then I'll come back for another
Kabayan, you will
content.
come anytime,
Yes,
Kabayan.
just look for Zakaria guys, ha? If you will visit Medina Jewelry here in Tramania Mall. Pagpasok nyo natin ng gate 4, pagbaba ng escalator, yung tumbok niya, ito na yun.
This one 28 gram, buddy.
28 grams?
Yeah, this one heavy because
Bigat
Rolex.
guys, ang bigat niya. 28 grams. And but this one no ring.
The ring I have
Ah,
here.
no ring, mungkin how much? 28 grams and 18K.
28 gram, huh?
Yeah,
This one coming 9,800.
9,800. Ah,
Because
okay.
this one is special.
But only 18K, ha?
18K,
This
yeah.
one 18K.
That 21
Yan guys. So, I think that's it muna for today's content. Yan, thank you so much, Zakaria. Thank
You
you.
will come, my friend.
Yan,
Anytime
invite them.
You will come. Kabayan, anytime you will come. Good price, inshallah. We have too much customer and then I have too much tawat. No, bro, I have online delivery. It's okay.
Okay. You also offer with Tabi and Tamaras, ha?
Yeah, tabi tama. Bedi utang Kabayan.
Oh.
Bedi utang, ha?
Buy now, pay later, guys. Meron din silang they accept Tamara and Tabi.
Yeah.
Correct? Okay.
We have
So,
many friends Philippines.
yeah.
It's okay here. Because this store, the wholesale, you know?
Yes, wholesale
Wholesale,
dito
yeah.
sa store nila guys. So, yan muna ang ating content. Thank you so much for watching. So, babalik tayo dito sa mga susunod na araw para mag-content ng ibang ano naman. I think gusto ko naman i-content yung mga rings and bracelet for men. So, for now, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Babalik po si Algination for more Saudi living updates. Bye! Ito lang yung location niya. Pagbaba ng escalator ng Ramania, diretso nyo lang to. So, ito na yung gold shop na makikita nyo.
Yeah, Medina
Okay.
Gate 4.
Medina
Rahmania.
Jewelry.
And then I have maybe when you buy, you will get gifts. Maybe
Oh,
some
may
earrings,
pa
some
freebies pa
bracelet,
sila.
some watch.
So, yan.
Don't worry. Also good price. Good price with the gift like this.
Okay, so bye guys. Ayan yung shop nila. Ang laki ng shop nila. Pero may isa pa doon, mas malaking shop sa labas. So, magko-content din tayo dun sa susunod. So, bye muna for now. Bye!